In the mathematics trading card game created by Teaching with Mr. Tim, this is what the battles will look like. You have your monster right here. You have your opponent's monster across from you, facing you, so you can see what's on their grid. Let's take a closer look at the specific grid that I'm referring to. We have these dots in a grid pattern that will help you do your transformations, your translation, your rotation, your reflection. The star that you notice here, which looks like a sun, is the starting point for your sequence of transformations. In the grid, there's one single spot that is an X. For Budsy, it's on this pink portion of its hair. That is the critical attack spot. Your goal is to get from the star point to the critical spot so you can deal double damage. If you hit anywhere else on the body of the monster, you deal normal damage. You might be asking, how do you do damage or how do you move? Well, those are the rigid transformations. You can chain these attacks together. I have a translation of left 3. That means I move from the star 3 to the left. So I'm right above my critical spot. So if I want to chain another attack, if I have this card in my hand where I go down 1 for a translation, I now land on the critical attack spot. With that, I have a 3 damage and I have 2 damage, so the original attack would be worth 5 damage, but since I hit that critical attack spot, it would now be worth 10 damage. The catch with the cards, though, is that you only have 7 cards in your hand at a time, so you may not get super lucky with the cards you need to land on that critical spot. So you have to figure out if you want to use a couple cards to just land on the body first, and then you can draw some more cards your next turn, and maybe get lucky with getting some more cards that you need. Again, the goal is to knock them out. If this one has 40 HP, it could take you a few turns to knock them out. It just relies on which cards you have in your hand at that specific moment. If you're wanting to check more of this out in long-form content, there is a video on my YouTube channel, Mathematics Trading Card Game Teaching with Mr. Tim. If you want to buy this resource for yourself, it is on my TPT store. It is titled Rigid Transformations Trading Card Game.